salty. I like pork. Yummy. Tastes like pork. It's salty. It's chewy, and you feel like it's soft. And
Delicious.
yeah. I would recommend next time. I think what we should have done was to first was to do the spam and the eggs, so they would be like more mixed. So thank you for watching, and bye. Is that how we end the video?
Really good.
Okay.
Bye-bye.